Oh, you're gonna fall there, ah. Oh, look at your feet. You have bubble shoes now. Look, look, look. Bubble shoes.
Saan mo malabas yung bubbles?
Doon po, kanina madami. Pag may time na maglalabas sila ng bubbles.
Bubble shoes. I need my new bubble shoes.
Yeah, wow, those nice shoes.
Nice dress. Okay, I want to go now.
When go please. Ayun, chicks. Paano mag-run over kayong dalawa ni Inis? Run over! Run over!
Dog girl over.
Run over na!
Oh no. Hi.
Hi!
When? Run over!
No.
Wait,
Wow.
like this. You're the queen.
Wow, thank you.
Oh, thank you!
I'm adding your bubbles.
This is Gwen's vlog. Oh, thank you. Wow. Thank you.
Nice hair.
Oh, thank you.
White hair.
Wow. Oh, what was that? Ah, sure.
Okay, sit down.
Okay.
What these bubbles?
Wow. It looks like an animal, right? It looks like an animal.
Oh yeah.
Just putting shampoo on my hair. Ito si ano man eh. Oh. Ay. Oh, let's. What is it? What is it?